In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to handle errors in our routes. So here, for this post request, we're gonna use try catch. And try catch is a programming construct used for error handling. So we can type the code in the try block, and if we get any error, we're gonna just catch this error. So here's the syntax of try catch. Try and block and catch error and another block. So we're gonna put our code that we want to execute inside it. So we're gonna copy this and paste it here. This is the code for creating a book. And inside the catch, we're gonna just return in response the stats code. Let's make it, for example, 400. And we're gonna JSON the error message. So we're gonna send a message here, and it's gonna be error.message like this. Now let's try to test our post request here. So let's open Postman and try to create a new book, but we want to add some error. For example, let's make this book name. Let's just make it name like this. Now let's press send. Now look, we got here a message. Book validation failed. Book name path. Book name is required. Great, isn't it? Now if we return it to book name and press send, now we got no errors. And we got status code 201. Let's add this try catch to our get route. Can you do it with your own? Please pause the video and try it with your own. Now let me show you how to do it. We're gonna add the try block, and inside it we're gonna just add inside this code, and inside our catch block we're gonna return stats code 400, and the message is gonna be error.message like this. Now our code is not formatted. I would like to format our code. In extensions, if you open extensions in VS Code and search for prettier, you're gonna find this wonderful extension called prettier. It's for code formatting, and it's very good for JavaScript and other programming languages. If you see here, it got more than 60 million of downloads. Now I'm gonna format our code. Just right click and format document, or you can use this shortcut here, Option and Shift and F. Now my code is formatted and it looks more better than before.